Magluluto tayo ng ating adobo, guys. Meron tayong pork. Nilalagay natin ang ating chicken. Lalagay natin si garlic, ang ating ground black pepper, ang ating bay leaf. Then we add the water. Tapos ang ating vinegar. Then we're gonna add our soy sauce. So let's gonna simmer hanggang lalambot po siya. So, chicken din. Almost done. Ayan guys, luto na ng ating chicken pork adobo. Ayan siya. Sobrang sarap yan guys. Look at that. Then we have our ginataang langka. Young jackfruits. Yan. With shrimp in it. Guys, tapos ng ating giniling. And ang ating ginataang langka. And here's our chicken and pork adobo. At hindi pa tayo tapos dahil meron pa tayong inihaw. Yan. Akala mo tapos na, hindi pa. The cooking day. Yan, whole day in the kitchen. Look at that. Whole day cooking. Tuesday is cooking day.